Hello YouTube friends. Welcome back to the channel. Stacy from Peony Lane Designs. Wanted to do a little project today and I thought I'd take you guys along for the ride. I am in the backyard, so it's a little noisy. Sorry about that. Nothing I can do about it. I wanted to try out this fabric spray paint. I don't know if you've heard of this stuff. It's been around for a while. It's called Simply Spray fabric paint. Yeah, I wanted to see if it would work. It says, this is Midnight Black, and it says fabric paint for upholstery, sofas, curtains, carpets, auto interior, lampshades, umbrellas, blah, 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 blah. Intended for use on absorbent materials. So I wanted to try it and see if it would work. I want to try it on the chair that I'm sitting on. So I have this chair. Cute little chair. And I was going to start on the back so that if there was a problem, I wouldn't damage the chair. But I did just drop the chair down a 9-foot staircase. So I don't really care anymore because I completely shattered the wood on it. I'm going to still try this because if I have another piece that I want to do the fabric on, I'll be able to use it. But let me show you what I did to this chair. This brilliant move, but it was either the chair or me, and I chose it. So I had to sacrifice it or I was going down with it. So let me show you what happened to the chair. So as you can see, the wood is quite scratched up and that didn't bother me so much, but this lovely crack here, I'm not going after that thing. It is wobbly as heck because it just got dropped down that staircase right there. So I'm more actually worried about my stairs, frankly. But I'm gonna give this Simply Spray a try. As you can see, the fabric was quite dark and it's a little dirty. And I thought, you know, I have this stuff and I've had it for quite some time. Might as well use it and give it a try. And I thought it would look pretty on here, to be honest. But oh, look, like it's literally busted off in pieces. I'm really sorry, chair. I kind of loved you. Look at that. You know, I tripped over my big dork feet and wrecked the chair. I don't know, maybe we can find a way to repurpose it, but I'm gonna give the spray a try. Maybe it'll become like a little settee or a little like just a stool. So I don't know, we'll see. Hold on one second, I'm gonna get you flipped around and we'll give the spray a try. Can you see me? Doesn't say there's any particular magic. Sorry, the camera's a little crooked. It's the best I could do on the surface that I had to set you on to get the chair in the frame. But it just says it's basically like a can of spray paint, just 6 to 8 inches away from the fabric and nice even strokes. So I'm gonna use it like I would spray paint. We'll see what happens. I have not seen a tutorial on this. I have not attempted this before, but we're gonna give it a go. So wish me luck. So, I'm going to bring you over here and show you what's happening. Gotta say, I don't love it. This is what happens when you do the upright spray this way. When I spray down, watch. Perfect. Spray up, it gets like, well, maybe not this time, but oh, it was not loving me. And I don't love the coverage. Look at the coverage. It's still very green. And I'm spraying Midnight Black. I mean, you see Midnight Black, and it's spitting all over my hands, so I had to go get gloves because that's just yuck. Yeah, I'm glad I did this on a damaged chair. If this had been something I really loved and wanted to keep, I really did love this chair, but I obviously can't keep it. I would not at all be happy. Let me get this in the sun. My husband's avoiding you right now. Hi, honey. Can you see it? I mean, it's not black at all. It turned like a weird olive green. Olivey green. It's, yeah, it's ugly. That is not pretty at all, folks. Wow, I don't even know what to say, except I won't be using this spray anymore. Wow, I am really glad that I did this on a broken chair. Maybe when this dries, it'll be a different color. We're gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. And we'll come back when it's dry and see, but I'm right now not happy, so. Okay, so it actually looks better on day 2. It is not that gray green thing that was happening. It did soak in quite a bit. This is just one coat. From a distance, it doesn't look too bad. I'm guessing if I did a second coat, it would cover the rest of the green. This is definitely an ink type of product. It has an inky kind of smell when I sprayed it, and then as you can see, it's on the wood. So you definitely don't want to finish the wood first. You're going to want to spray this first. Well, this is still really green. You can see it's inconsistent. But yeah, it's not as gray as it was, and it's a little bit darker. Looks better at a distance than it does up close. So it's not horrible. Maybe I'd use it. Yeah, I'm kind of on the fence on this one. Not sure I like it. I might use it. I can always try a second coat and see how this goes. It's not terrible, but it's not as dark as I thought it would be. And granted, it is only one coat of this product, but as you can see, like, the arms are still very, very green. So I mean, it's not even the same color as this. It's just very inconsistent as far as coloring. So it would have to be multiple coats. Oh, still way green on the back, but it is what it is. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.